As we know, Microsoft is updating a new feature since past few years in the field of operating system. Today, in this video I am talking about the extraordinary new features of Windows 10 that Microsoft will release soon in Windows 10.
Hello YouTube. Welcome to Green Tech Channel. Before starting the video, please hit subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to notify every update of the channel. Let's begin.
Parallel to the developments that the tech giant Microsoft has made in Windows 10, it has bet heavily on its App Store, preparing it to be the unique place where programmers are going to deposit their creations. After several new features and improvements, it has already been released. One seems to be coming. Soon it will be possible to install applications through remote, by simply accessing the Microsoft App Store anywhere, and accessing the store with the browser. We can install new apps on devices, just having to authenticate us. The tech giant Microsoft seems to have already addressed this option, and is slowly making it available to users, always through the browser and with full control. From what has already been seen, a new option appears to be popping up in the store and allowing remote apps to be installed. After choosing this option, the user should choose which device to install the app for. Of course, this installation can only be done on devices where the user account is configured and only requires that they must be connected to the internet. Some users who have already tested this option reported that the installation took about 15 minutes to complete. Although it has been active since the beginning of July, it is still being released gradually to users and should soon be available to all. This is yet another stepping stone from Microsoft to create a complete ecosystem, from the operating system to the apps that developers create, giving simple ways for users to install them. To get this option, update your Windows 10 regularly.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you find any missing in this video, please comment and share it to your friend and relative, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. And also visit our website. Thank you. And see you soon.